Pasaway na bata. This is not food, Nana.
Rice.
This is not rice. Yeah, it's too much, Nana ko. This is cheese, Nana.
Cheese.
Cheese nga.
Cheese. No.
Hmm.
Cheese.
Oh.
Cheese. Cheese.
Yes.
Cheese.
Yeah. It's cheese. Yes, cheese.
Cheese.
Kulang na yung patatas ko. Just put tomato here.
Cheese.
Kind of cheese, bebe.
Cheese.
Enough la, enough. Enough.
Money. Money.
The other side is for the baby, and this one kay amo. And just put like this. Wala na. Wala na siyang ano. Because just put this fork inside and to sa top. Yan. Tapos lagyan siya ng cheese sa top. And then the 180 degree, maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. Let's try. Okay, it's almost done. Just put cheese on top after the minced pork. Minced pork. Okay. Okay. It's very mess here in the kitchen. Yeah, kasi may pasaway na bata. Bye. God bless.